Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to laminate your fabric. Here I have Heat and Bond iron on vinyl gloss finish I purchased from USA. Here I have a roll which is 43 centimeters wide and 4.5 meters long, or 5 yards long. So here I have a fabric for the bag. I cut piece of Heat and Bond vinyl for the laminating, and here are directions how to apply the iron on vinyl. So let's get started. I pre-washed the fabric. I'm going to iron it very well. I cut the vinyl is same size as my fabric for the bag. I'm going to peel vinyl from protective paper. This side is a little bit sticky, and I'm going to place vinyl sticky side down onto right side of my fabric. Be sure that there is nothing on the fabric, threads or hair, because everything will be seen under the vinyl. Be sure you have flat surface. I'm going to cover it with my protective paper, like so, shiny side down, and I will press. The instruction says press and hold iron for 8 seconds and medium temperature. Unfortunately, they don't say what is the medium temperature, but I google it, and they say it's approximately 150 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to start applying the vinyl with my iron, and I will continue laminating using my heat press. So set your iron on medium temperature, approximately 150 degrees. So I'm going to press and hold iron for 8 seconds. I set the temperature to 150 degrees and timer for 8 seconds. Okay. And I'm going to press for 4 seconds on the back of the fabric. After it's cooled down, I may remove the paper. And now I have laminated fabric. It's still soft, but now it's water resistant. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.